Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel, and thank you also very much for joining me for another real life motivational cleaning video. So today I am cleaning our bedroom. I did have my godson this weekend, and let me tell you guys, he is a handful. He's only one and I am exhausted, but I really had to clean this filthy room, as you all can see. But I want to thank you also very much for watching today. If you find yourself enjoying this video, then hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Also leave a comment down below just to say hey, or if you have any video suggestions. I do read and respond to every comment, but if you think of someone else that may enjoy this video, be sure to share it with them because it's free motivation, and who doesn't like free? Well, that's enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and tackle this mess. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make the bed.
Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes. Wish you could see the things I see.
So do you guys feel like your dresser or like your desk is like the catch-all places? I try my best not to put anything on our dresser, but you guys see I have failed. Everything that's on my desk is just like stuff from work or like my planner, but I am going to use the Method wood polish to clean off my dresser. You guys, I've been using this for a super long time and I really love this stuff. This is the only thing I use in our house for our wood. To clean the mirror off, I'm just going to use a water and vinegar mix.
Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue. Leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet.
So I was super excited when Aircover reached out to me because I have been super tired of just looking at my monitors with a bare wall behind it. So I put these photos behind my monitor and you guys will all see that. But it comes with 64 by 6 photos, and let me tell you guys, the quality of these photos are super good, but to put mine on the wall, I am using putty simply because my wall is kind of weird. I don't know what type of paint it is, but tape does not stay on these walls. So I'm just gonna put putty on the back of each photo, and I'm showing you guys how I'm doing that.
What you mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, babe. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. We're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. But we're not the same. It's like we're on two sides of the Milky Way. Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath.
So if you guys are interested in getting this collage kit, I am going to leave a link down below where you can get an extra 30% off. And you guys, like I said, these pictures are super good quality. I really love this pop of color on the wall. You guys saw that our room is yellow and gray, but this pop of color I just love, you guys. I think it's so beautiful. It like brightens up my day. Maybe when I'm at work and I just look up and read all of this stuff that's on the wall and just look at these beautiful pictures. But you guys, for the extra ones that I did, because I couldn't fit all 60 on the wall, I did just put it on my little utensil holder that I have to the right here. So you guys see that. I just cover up that little white section. So that's another good idea. You don't always have to put them on the wall. You can do whatever you want with these. You can put them in a picture frame or anything you guys want. But I just love these. I love, 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 love this pop of color, you guys.
I don't feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath.
Well, that is all for this cleaning video. If you guys enjoyed it, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future cleaning videos. Also, leave me a comment down below if you like that wall collage behind my computer monitors. I really like it, you guys. I know I keep talking about it, but I really did like it.
Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my
Don't forget to check out the description down below for an extra 30% off of Air Covers wall collage kit. You guys, like I said, they're really good quality. You just have to order them and find out for yourself. But you guys, you're getting an extra 30% off. The link will be listed down below in my description. But thank you all so very much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
Nobody told me to settle down. nights don't kill